I found that the traditional cooling and heating technology is not very environment friendly. So I want to change that situation. I want to contribute to a sustainable future. Hello everyone, my name is Jingyuan Xu. I'm now the Young Investigator Group Leader, and my research focuses on sustainable cooling and heating technology. I was born in China in Hubei province. I achieved my bachelor degree and PhD degree in China, and after that I moved to UK for 3 years as a postdoc, and after that I come to KIT because from here I can collaborate with a lot of institutes for the interdisciplinary research, and which attract me most. Cooling and heating is very close to our daily life. For example, for cooling, you can think about air conditioning and refrigerator, and heating, you can imagine that we need for space heating at very cold temperature. The traditional cooling technology is not very environment friendly because it uses gaseous refrigerants. These refrigerants can leak to the environment and cause global warming potential. I'm very honored to receive the Leopoldia Young Scientist Prize and also the prize from Heidelberg Academy of Science. And they honor this prize. So my research focuses on a new cooling technology, which called elastomeric cooling. And this cooling technology has advantages of that we can use these solid state refrigerants, such as Schumann alloys and also the polymers. So these solid state refrigerants don't have a least risk of liquids to the environment, so it is very environment friendly. Maybe some people think that this field is more dominated by men, but I think this is old-fashioned view, and I can see that we are changing these things because I found that there's a lot of policy and also strategy that welcome the female students in these STEM disciplines. So we have a lot of workshop for female scientists, and also a lot of a program which is targeted at female students. I see a lot of very good things happen here. I wish that there's more and more female students who can join our community, and we can get together to contribute to the scientist community.